love of God is greater far than tongue or pen can never tell. It goes beyond the highest star and reaches to the lowest hill. The guilty pair bound down with care, God gave His Son to wed His erring child. He reconciled and pardoned from His sin. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure. The saints and angels' song, when hoary time shall pass away, and earthly thrones and kingdoms fall, when men who here refuse to pray on rocks and hills and mountains call, God's love so sure shall still endure, all measureless and strong, redeeming grace to Adam's race, the saints and angels' song. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure. The saints and angels' song. Would we with aim the ocean feel, and where the skies of hearts meant meet, where every star on earth a quail, and every man a scribe by trade, to write the love of God above, would drain the ocean dry, nor could the scroll contain the whole, to stretch her brown sky to sky. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure. The saints and angels' song.